Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new folders in Outlook using the most efficient 2026 technical methods. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to clear amateur quality clutter and technicality organize their high-end studio inbox for better bookkeeping. Let's get into it. First, locate the folder sidebar hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your organization. The Outlook Studio interface prioritizes the left-hand sidebar as the primary hub for all technical folder management. Open Outlook and look at the folder pane on the left side of your screen. Find your main email address or the word folders at the top of the list. By technicality identifying the root of your account, you ensure your new folder isn't hidden inside a submenu. This is a professional standard for keeping your market analysis emails easily accessible. Next, initiate the New Folder protocol. There are two high-end technical ways to trigger a folder creation, depending on whether you're using the web or desktop Studio app. On Web or New Outlook, right-click your email address or hover over Folders and click the three dots icon, then select Create New Folder. So, right-click your inbox and select New Folder from the context menu, or use the high-end shortcut Ctrl-Shift-E. This movement tells the Outlook engine to reserve a new space in your professional database, allowing for a mechanical necessity, segmenting your high-volume projects. Next, define the folder's identity. Once the empty box appears, you must technicality assign it a name that fits your professional bookkeeping style. Type a concise name into the text field, like 2026 Receipts or Studio Projects, and press Enter. Use a prefix like an @ symbol, like @action, if you want the folder to technicality stay at the very top of your alphabetical list. A clear name is a professional standard. It ensures that your market analysis remains organized and your technical search time is minimized when looking for specific high-end documents. And that's pretty much it. To create a folder in 2026, right-click your account name in the sidebar and technicality select Create New Folder. Candidly name it and press Enter. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.